Today is day 18 and we have 539 subscribers. We have achieved this in 18 days and we've got more than 2,000 public watch hours on our channel. We need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get our channel monetized. So we're almost 50% there in 18 days. Now, if you haven't watched our previous videos, I suggest that you give it a watch so you can understand what we've done and how we've done it. So if you're starting off YouTube and you're facing any problems or have any issues and don't know what strategies to implement to help you scale and make a successful YouTube channel, then this is definitely the videos for you. Now, heading over to our channel Health Vibe Zone, as you can see, we have 539 subscribers and our channel is not monetized right now. I've added this plugin to show you that once it gets monetized, the status is going to get changed. We have 28 videos that are on the channel at this moment in time. So we achieved these number of subscribers and 2,000 plus hours in 28 videos. Now, as you can see, we had a video that came 11 days ago that has 17 views. Now, I know people are asking me this question that, not all the videos are doing that great. That's perfectly fine. It's just been 18 days. And obviously in 18 days, we've added videos on a continuous basis. And we are not looking at this moment in time to change anything. Remember, guys, when you are starting a YouTube channel, the first instinct that's going to kick in is the fact that, oh, this is not working because I'm not getting any subscribers, I'm not getting any views. It's perfectly fine. It takes time. You need to be patient. You need to give at least 1 month for that video to actually get into the YouTube algorithm. So let's head over to the dashboard and see what's the situation on the dashboard. Now, as you can see, we have 505 subscribers in the last 28 days. We have 2,100 public watch hours that we have achieved. And if you check out the analytics, you'll be able to see that our graph is going and growing in a very well organized and consistent manner. We had a dip over here, which is perfectly normal. We got up again and then we had another dip. It moves in a wave, guys. And that's what you need to understand. Sometimes, and you will see in this channel as well, which will hopefully come, is that we're going to get a dip. Maybe 2-3 days, the views are going to go down, but we're not going to panic. We're going to let the YouTube algorithm work and do its magic and it'll bring it up again. The main thing is that we don't change anything on the channel in the first month and we don't do anything to a video until we give it a period of time in which they can actually mature and grow. Now, the other thing in today's video that we will be looking at is I am going to show you how you can actually create these videos. And the main reason I want to do that is because I want to give you guys an opportunity to understand what is the actual sequence and what are the methodologies behind creating these videos. As you can see on the screen, these are all the videos that I've scheduled. Now, there's a couple of methodologies that you can follow. Now, the first methodology that you can actually follow and create this video is actually learn video editing yourself, learn graphic designing yourself, understand how you can actually create a script and do the voiceover for these videos. So there's 3 basic elements that are involved when you create content. The first one is the actual editing. The second is the actual script. Then it's the voiceover. How does it work? The first thing you need to do is create a script for your video. And for the script, you need to do research. You need to find out what kind of information that you want to give out to the public. So we're going to focus on a health niche and I'm going to talk about how you can actually develop a video within the health niche. So the first thing that we need to do is understand what kind of video we want to make. And all we need to do is actually look at what's trending within the actual internet. So for example, if you look out on the screen right now, there's so many topics that are available and you can even go to the channel yourself and look at these topics. If there's a topic that you like, you can use that topic, but try not to actually copy paste the title because that isn't a very good idea initially. So basically, let's for example go and see that nutritional facts of honey and the health benefits of honey. Now, this is a topic regarding honey. So what do we need to do? We need to find a script for this particular title. Now, there is different methodologies that we can use. Like I said before, the first one is that you learn video editing and you write the script yourself. The other way that you can do that is use an AI tool. Now, I recommend recommend everyone that use AI tool only as a tool. Don't actually base your full information, don't base your whole business model, don't base all your elements on AI. AI is good, but just as a tool. There's so many people right now that are starting YouTube automation, and one of the basic mistakes that they do is they think that, you know what, AI is available, we're gonna make the video by AI, we're gonna do the voiceover by AI, we're gonna make the script by AI, we're gonna do the thumbnail by AI, we're gonna do the tagging by AI, we're gonna do the description by AI. Remember, there are 3.4 million videos that are uploaded on a daily basis on YouTube. What happens is that 90% of those 3.4 million are videos that are made by AI. And quite recently, YouTube actually put out a policy in which that if any video has used any sort of AI, either it be in video, either it be in editing, either it be in script, either it be in voiceover, it needs to be declared. So whenever you upload the video, there's going to be an option available that's going to say that have you used any of AI tools in this video? And if you have, you need to declare that you have actually used the AI tool, and there's going to be a notification that's going to come on the video that's going to say that this video contains AI generated content, and obviously that's going to have its own issues within the algorithm. So if you're using that and you're going down that path, keep that in mind. The first tool that I'm going to recommend is a well-known tool, which is ChatGPT. Now in ChatGPT, when you get there, you'll be able to see that you can give any command to ChatGPT and it's going to create different scripts for you. It's going to give you different information. Remember guys, make sure you do your research. Now what I always do is that I only use ChatGPT as a tool. I do not rely on the information given by ChatGPT. So we have a research team available that goes through all the information and checks all the research that are involving that topic, and obviously then bases the script on it. So we use ChatGPT as a tool, but for this video, I'm going to give you an example of what you can do. I'm going to give a command to ChatGPT to give me a YouTube script on health benefits for use of honey, and the script should be 1,000 words. Now, as I give this particular command, it's going to give me the title, which is Unlocking the Sweet Secrets, the Incredible Health Benefits of Honey. So welcome to our channels where we delve into the wonders of natural remedies and health boosting foods. Today, we're exploring one of the nature's most delicious gifts, honey. Beyond its sweet taste, and it gives you a complete breakdown of all the information that you require. Again, guys, this is not something that we're going to copy and paste. This is something that we're going to use as a foundation, as a guidelines, as steps to actually build our script on. So there's more methodologies that are involved, and obviously I don't want to go in great detail right now in that. We're going to give a completely separate webinar regarding how to write a script using ChatGPT, but the general gist is this is how you do it. Now once you've gotten the script from ChatGPT, what you do is that you would need to get a voiceover, and for that you need to head over to this platform. And once you get to this platform, for which I'm going to put the link in the description below, you can go over there and check it out. Now this is a platform that gives you all the voiceovers that are available. Now the voiceover that have this particular tick over here, the golden tick, this means this is a professional voice clone, and that means that the voice has actually been cloned and verified. If you just want a general voiceover, you can actually go for anything that does not have a tick. Now I've actually cloned my voice, and you can search for my voice using the search bar. Just type in Usman and you can get the voiceover that's available. So if you want to use my voiceover, that is available on this platform. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can go over there and check it out, and you can use the ChatGPT script that we made over here, paste it into this platform and get the voiceover. Once you've done that, you can head over to another AI tool, which is called InVideo.ai. Now this is a very interesting platform, guys. This is where you can create video with text prompts. Now as I showed you before, we have the voiceover using the voiceover website, we have the script using ChatGPT, and we will paste the script into this particular platform, and this is going to generate videos for us. Now there are so many videos on YouTube that is being created by AI. And now one of the major things that you need to understand is that AI is a tool. You can never replace human beings in the content development and creativeness that humans tend to have. And it's for that reason I always mention that the content creation and the creativity of humans is far more better than the actual video that is created by an AI. And you can clearly tell if a video has been created by AI or by a human. So if you want to stand out and make real money, you need to understand that these these are just tools. So you can use InVideo.ai initially when you start your journey. You can understand the different dynamics, the elements that are involved in video creation. And once you understand that this is just a tool to help you enhance and create engaging videos, you can always turn around and start creating videos yourself. Now, this is a very powerful tool. I'm going to put the link of it also in the description below for you to use. And guys, I'm going to do a separate webinar where I'm going to be coming live and I'm going to be speaking directly to you guys, and we're going to have a question and answer session as well, but we're going to do it on Discord. So if you want to sign up to that, join the Discord. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can head over there and join that so you can actually benefit from each element, because I don't want to make these videos very tedious and long and boring. I want to be taking questions from you, and that is what we're going to do in the live session. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video, guys, with your friends and with your family so more people can benefit. And if anyone is actually starting YouTube automation, definitely share it with them. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.